Alright, real talk. How many times have you opened Google, typed a question, and ended up 3 tabs deep in a Reddit thread from 2009? Be honest. Now compare that to asking ChatGPT the same question and getting a full answer in one shot. No scrolling, no pop-ups, no top 10 best socks for developers article. So the big question arises, is ChatGPT actually better than Google search? So let's check it out. Round 1. Answers versus information overload. Google gives you links, page, ads, SEO clickbait, sponsored results. Sometimes even recipes when you just wanted a yes or no. ChatGPT? Boom, straight to the point. Actual answers in plain English with context and examples. You ask it how to center a div, it doesn't send you to a 4,000 word Medium post about CSS philosophy, it shows you. So yeah, for direct questions, ChatGPT feels like a cheat code. Now for round 2, freshness of info. But wait, Google still wins one huge category, fresh info. Wanna know the latest news, stock prices, whether your favorite YouTuber just got cancelled? Yeah, that's Google's domain. ChatGPT, unless it's connected to real-time data, it might just confidently lie and tell you that the matrix is still in the tiers. So if you need real-time facts, Google still runs the internet. Round 3, research and depth. Google's messy but powerful. These scientific papers, forum debates, obscure tutorials buried deep in the dev community. Google's like a shovel, it digs through the web. ChatGPT is more like a blender. It mashes up what it knows and gives you something smooth. You want that? Sometimes you still gotta Google like it's 2010. Round 4, speed and sanity. Look, sometimes you just want to know what's a hash map, how to write a resignation letter, why your code hates you. And you want the answer now, without 12 tabs and a mental breakdown. In that case, ChatGPT wins every single time. It's like having a super calm genius friend who explains stuff without flexing their PhD. But the truth is, you should use both. This isn't Google versus ChatGPT, it's Google plus ChatGPT. You use GPT to learn fast, brainstorm ideas, draft emails or code, avoid carpal tunnel from scrolling 10 pages deep into Quora. Use Google to stay updated, double check facts, deep dive into sources, and see memes of course. Together, you're unstoppable, unless Bing sneaks in, but let's be honest, it won't. So, final verdict? If you want fast human-like answers, GPT wins. If you want fresh, diverse info from across the web, Google search still runs the game. But the smartest users, they don't pick sides, they pick results. Use AI to speed up the learning, use Google to go deeper. That's the real power.